Hey guys, welcome to Nathan's Tech. It's my first video and this is going to be my budget PC build of early 2018. Yeah, new meets used parts. Half the parts are off Over here on the motherboard side of things, we've got an LJ1156 Asus P7H55D M Pro motherboard. Picked this up off AliExpress, real cheap. Got a Seagate 1TB hard drive, it's a Barracuda 7200 RPM. Picked that up for about $50. Something, I don't even know. AliExpress cooler with Cooler Master fans on it. Absolutely massive heatsink. Got a Thermaltake Light Power 750 watt HD 7970 Vapor Expedition Sapphire. Got 8 gigs of G.SKILL RIPJAWS over here into Xeon X3470. Gonna be doing heaps of overclocking on that, that's why we've got a massive heatsink over here. Right, so we've got everything all hooked up and plugged up. See what happens. Hope we get a signal. Fans that will go. I may have to turn the monitor on and change the display analog. See what happens. Currently there is no display. Doesn't seem good. I saw in that clip the computer actually didn't work and it didn't give out a signal. At first I had no idea what the issue was, so I ended up doing all sorts of tests, buying a motherboard analyzer, testing the motherboard, and it turns out that the motherboard was actually the issue. The motherboard was broken and I opened a dispute with AliExpress over it, and they ended up denying a refund, saying that, you know, they don't have enough evidence to prove that the motherboard doesn't work. So they cancelled the dispute and I ended up having to buy another motherboard, the same one, a P7H55D motherboard, but just a different motherboard. So that sucked. Lost nearly $100 over there. So that shit. But yeah, stuff happens. So as you guys saw from the benchmarks and the gameplay footage from the PC, it performs quite well, but sadly I don't have any graphically advanced games like Grand Theft Auto 5, Fallout 4, any of those sorts of games. I've just got, you know, this is the Valve games, the Half-Life 2 series, all the Orange Box type of games, CSGO, all that stuff, so I don't really need a PC this powerful. But I do play Fortnite Battle Royale. The story with this PC though is why it's so cheap is I actually went out and bought a graphics card that was stated not working, and upon receiving it I took it apart. You know, I've already said this about the thermal paste and stuff, but I ended up putting it in the oven, reflowing it, and I've got a perfectly functioning graphics card. The question is though, how long will it last? But it is a good graphics card and does the job. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to catch you in the next one.